Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to use the half angle formulas to solve and find the exact answer for this problem. And so we have sine of 15 degrees. So how do we use the half angle identity? Well, very easy. What we're going to do is we're going to rewrite this angle so that it's written as half of another angle. Okay, so 15 degrees is the same as half of what? 30. So we're going to say, okay, let's do sine of 30 degrees divided by 2. And so now we can use the half angle formula for sine. And so that's going to be 1 minus cosine of 30 degrees. Okay? Over 2. And it's going to be the square root with plus or minus. Now, 15 degrees is in the first quadrant. Sine is positive in the first quadrant, which means that we don't need the negative sign. Okay? In fact, well, we don't even need the plus sign because it's assumed to be positive if there is no sign. So that would be our final answer, except, well, cosine of 30 degrees. Do we know the value of cosine of 30 degrees? Absolutely. Okay? So let's put it in, right? Don't leave it at 30 degrees if you know it, right? They want the exact answer. So we're not done. We need to get this into an exact answer. So what's cosine of 30 degrees? Well, cosine of 30 degrees is square root of 3 over 1 unit circle. So square root of 3. So this is going to be the square root of 3. Oh, excuse me. Square root of 3 over 2, not 1. Square root of 3 over 2. Okay? Now what? Well, we can still simplify this. Okay? Okay, so we'll have to simplify this. So how can we simplify this? Let's rewrite this and get the 2, right? This is in the denominator. Let's get this as a complex fraction. So let's rewrite the bottom as is, or the numerator here, and we'll write this as 2 minus the square root of 3 divided by 2, all divided by 2. Okay, so I just basically got a common denominator in the numerator. Okay, so I just multiplied 1 by 2 over 2. And so I got this right here, and then of course the 2 is there. And now here, I can multiply by the reciprocal of the bottom, which is going to be 1/2. So this is going to be equal to the square root of 2 minus root 3 over 2 times 1/2. Okay? And so that's going to give me a 4th on the bottom. So that's going to give me the square root of 2 minus root 3 over 4. Now I can split this up because 4 is a perfect square. So that would give me, well, I could pull that out. And that's really all I can do. And so my final answer would be, well, let me rewrite this. Made that a little too big. So my final answer would be 2 minus root 3 all over 2. And that would be my final answer. And that would be the exact answer. Okay. Have a great day.